problem they give us that Danny has 4 red cards and 5 blue cards. Sammy has 2 red cards and 7 blue cards. Each red card is worth 6 points and each blue card is worth 3 points. So determine how many more total points Danny has than Sammy. So, Danny and Sammy. So we have red cards and we have blue cards. And then we have our total. So, it says Danny has 4 red cards, and each red card is worth 6 points, so that means red gives her 24 points. Sammy has 2 red cards, so that means that gives her 12 points. Each blue card is worth 3 points. Danny has 3 of them, so that's 15, whereas Sammy has 7, so that's 21. So if we total this up, 24 plus 15 gives us 39 total points for Danny, and 12 plus 21 gives us 33 points for Sammy. The question is, how many more total points Danny has than Sammy? So we're looking at 39 and 33. This is a difference of 6. And so that is our answer. And we're done.